Hello friends, I hope you are all safe at your homes in this pandemic and practicing the exercises of the love handles from the previous videos. Today I am going to show you some of the most important and intense exercises for love handles. These exercises not only work on the love handle but also on the belly fat. So let's begin with the best love handle and belly fat workout. Number first exercise, crunch plus straight leg raise. Start by breathing in and reaching your arms up overhead. Crunch down with your upper body and raise one leg straight up while exhaling. Return the leg to the ground as you stand back up straight. Repeat the movement with alternating the legs. Remember to breathe in and breathe out. Do 3 sets of 10 count each on both the sides. Now the second exercise, squat plus twist. Start standing tall with your feet between hip width and shoulder width apart. You can place your hands on your shoulder or up by your head with your elbow out. Now inhaling as you go down into the squat, exhaling as you drive back up to the standing, and as you do, tuck one knee up as you rotate your opposite elbow towards your knee. As you exhale, think about wringing your abs out almost like wringing out a dish towel, bringing the abs inward rather than outward. And obviously, the faster you go, the lower you squat, the harder this gets. Again, do 3 sets of 10 count each on both the sides. Now, the third exercise, pop squat twist. Stand with your feet hip width distance apart. Lower down into a squat until your thighs are parallel to the floor. As you jump up, twist your body 90 degrees to the right. After quickly tapping your feet to the ground, jump again, rotating back to the center. As you return to the center, drop back down into a squat and repeat in the opposite direction. Do 3 sets of 10 count each on both the sides. The fourth exercise, split deadlift twist. Stand on your left leg with the right leg behind you with a bit of weight on your toes for balance, both the knees are slightly bent. Place your hand behind your head, opening your elbow wide to the side and squeezing your shoulder blade together. Pull your abs towards your spine and keep your back straight as you hinge forward from your hip until your torso is almost parallel to the floor. Go down. Yes. Within flat back, press through your left heel and return to standing as you twist your ribs and shoulder to the left. Deadlifts are great for strengthening your butt and toning hamstrings. And adding the twist, focus the core, work on the oblique to tighten your waist with your hands placed behind your legs. Not only will the abs be forced to work harder, but this position targets the upper back to improve posture and reduce neck pain. Do 3 sets of 10 counts each on both the sides. Now the fifth exercise. Squat and kick. Stand with your feet width wider than hip width apart, with your toes slightly turned out enough to allow your knees to track over your toes. Bend your arms, your hands in fist held below the chin. Squat down to 90-degree angle at your knee while keeping your chest up. Contract your core, then kick one leg out as you balance on your other leg. Return to the starting position. Make sure you point your toes out enough for a wide stance squat. Keep your chest up as you squat down. Do not let your knees curve inward on the squat. Do 3 sets of 10 count each on both the sides. Now the last exercise, side to side lunge chops. Stand tall with your feet together and arms clasped overhead. Take a large step to one side while lowering the hip to the ground and bending the knee of the lead leg. Bring both arms straight down toward the lead foot. Push off the lead leg to return to the starting position. Keep your chest up and back flat as you reach toward the floor. Again, remember to breathe in and breathe out. Do sets of 10 counts each on both the sides. Thank you. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.